Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the basics. Check Settings General about to note your iPhone model and iOS version, because features differ by release. Once done, make sure your region is correct. Apple's announcement appears in certain countries due to legal requirements, so region affects behavior. Also verify whether the person you call uses a third-party recording app or VoIP service that triggers the announcement. If so, stopping it on your phone won't prevent their app from recording. Now, you'll remove the ability for apps to record calls. Go to Settings Privacy Microphone and toggle off apps that don't need mic access. Next, check apps that use CallKit or provide VoIP calling. Either revoke their permissions or uninstall them because they can trigger system prompts. Also disable background app refresh for any app that might capture audio while idle. These steps cut off app-based recording sources. Make sure to restart the phone to apply permission changes. Finish by inspecting call-specific options. Open Settings Phone and FaceTime to look for any new recording toggles or call management features introduced by iOS updates and disable them. Once done, restart your iPhone and place a test call to confirm the announcement is gone. This verifies changes. If the prompt persists, perform Settings General Reset all settings as a targeted fix, and if still unresolved, contact Apple support. They can confirm whether the prompt is a legal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.